What's going on, G Squad? What's going on? Alright, man, so as you saw, did a little bit of testing last night with the SS. One of the things that we kind of figured out is bogging a little bit, you know what I mean? And I know it's because I adjusted the floats on the card, and what I want to do today is raise it up a little bit because I lowered them. So I'm gonna lower or raise the secondaries up a little bit. I'm gonna take it for a nice little run over to my folks' house real quick, and then we're gonna capture some secondary footage on that thing. You did real quick, like before I get it back and get it jacked up again on jack stands and tear it down. I really don't even know why I'm adjusting these right now because the carb is coming off regardless. But I just want to kind of get like a idea and have a little bit of fun. So we're gonna do exactly that. So let's go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and get this adjusted real quick. I think what's that, 14, 5/8. Actually, I think I took it out there last night, to be honest with you. Let's see. Nope. All right. I'm gonna go ahead and get this adjusted up, and we finna make that run. You did, so stay tuned. Man. Just like get that light in here, y'all. Get that light. Alright, man, so we're definitely finna test this thing out, man. You dig, see what's going on with it, or what have you. And we're gonna go for it. You dig? So I'm gonna find a nice little spot, man. We're gonna get set up on the GoPro and let's see what's that action about. You dig? So stay tuned. Killer on gas, man. A killer on gas. But we're gonna make things happen. We're gonna make things shake. You already know what time it is. First pass I made the pass with the mufflers open. Second pass I'm gonna make, it's gonna be with the mufflers turned down. If I can get a pass with the muffler turned down, it's gonna give me an inclination of is back pressure having an effect on horsepower, all that good jazz. You already know what time it is. So. And we're gonna get a little bit of petrol, and we're gonna get up out of here. Yeah, it's doing what it can do, but now. Nah, it's 383.
It's still running though.
Man, I appreciate it. tell you one thing, it's doing really good on not running hot. So that timing situation was way off before, but I got it pretty situated now, and yeah, man, so stay tuned.
Metro Boomin' want some more, nigga. She banking on me on the bank. I smack the shit out of this bank. I